Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to read a poem, poem number 2, and the name of the poem is The Rebel in Honeycomb Book. So, as you all know, what is the meaning of rebel? So, we will be reading about a rebel in the poem and the poet, and before that, we will be inculcating the Dalmia core values among the students. First is growth mindset, and the second is risk taking. Because a rebel is a person who is always doing something new, means he is always with the new ideas. So, as the rebel does, similarly, the student will also be with the Dalmia core values, that is growth mindset. They will be doing new things. They will be emerging with new ideas. And same is the case with risk taking, how the rebel is opposing the society, means whatever the society is doing, he is always doing the opposite thing. That means it is not necessary that society is always doing the right thing. So sometimes they are also doing the wrong thing or they are not following the rules. So it is a risk. Similarly, the students will also take the risk of facing the society during the problems. So, welcome back to our chapter, The Rebel, the poem, and the poet is D.J.N. Wright. So, let us have some introduction about the poet. The name of the poet is D.J.N. Wright, and he was born on 11th March 1920 in Royal Leamington Spa, which is in United Kingdom, and he died on 31st December 2002 in London, which is in United Kingdom. And he's about work. He has written many poetries, he has written many fictions, he has written many essays, and about his schooling, his education. So he has done only the schooling in Downing and afterwards the college, the Downing College. So this was the brief introduction about the poet. Now back to the poem. The introduction of the poem is the poem tells the nature of a rebel. Students, as you all know, who is a rebel? Who does just opposite of what others do. The poet tells that it is dangerous, but at the same time it is good. Why? Because it is rebel who comes with the new ideas. So you can see it is a poem which is having different paragraphs and it is not having a rhyming scene. So you can see the rebel when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So students, what is this? When everybody has short hair, the rebel always does the opposite thing, means the rebel lets his hair grow long. He wants his hair longer and longer. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. See, when everybody wants long hair, so he cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, means in the class, the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lessons, the rebel creates a disturbance, means he's disturbing the class. When everyone wants a pin drop of silence, at that time the rebel creates nonsense in the class. When everybody is talking about the lesson, the rebel keeps quiet. So this shows that the rebel is the person who always does the opposite of the society. So when we are briefly explaining the paragraph, the extract, when we read this extract and we are explaining the paragraph, this comes here. The rebel tends to keep his hair long when everyone else wears their hair short, and vice versa. The rebel remains quiet amidst the noise all others make in the class. However, When everyone else is quiet, the rebel makes sure he causes disturbance. So students, as you can see, the rebel, he is always doing the opposite of what the others do. So coming to the next extract, next paragraph, you can see when everybody wears a uniform, you can see in the picture that everyone is wearing uniform. The rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means which is having a showy and colorful. So when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So you can see the vice versa over here. When everyone is wearing uniform, the rebel is wearing a fantastic dress, clothes. And when all are wearing fantastic clothes, at that time the rebel dresses soberly, simply. So in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When everyone says that we love dogs, they're talking about their pet dogs. That time, the rebel expresses his views on cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So you can see the vice versa. When everyone is praising a dog, he is praising a cat, and when everyone is praising cats, he is doing the opposite thing. Means he is praising the dog. So students, as you can see, what is there? So coming back to the third stanza, which is when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So, students, we have read the lines. So, now coming back to the first two, when everybody is praising the sun, means when everybody is praising the sun, that means when the people wants the sun, the heat of the sun, the rebel remarks that there should be rain. So he is always wanting the opposite thing. When everybody is greeting the rain, when everybody wants that the rain should come, the rebel regrets. Regret means to feel sad about a mistake that you have done. So the rebel regrets the absence of sun. That means he is very sad why the sun has not come, why the sun of the heat is not there. So he is always doing the opposite thing. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Means when they are going for something else, for other things, for a meeting or to meet someone, what he does, he remains at his home and he reads book. When everybody stays at home and reads book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So when everybody is busy in their home, they want to read some books. That time, rebel is very eager to go out to attend any meeting. So students, you can see that the rebel in each and every line is doing the opposite thing of the society. So you can see, so you can see what is there when everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be fun. See, what the poet wants to say is when all accept something gratefully, the rebel refuses it politely. And when everyone refuses something, the rebel accepts it with pleasure. So it is fortunate that we have such rebels among us Students, you can see that when you are going in a class, some rebels are present there also. Yes. Why? Because they wants to create, when all students are busy in listening what the ma'am is teaching, the rebel is busy in doing something disturbing the class. So when all are busy in doing something, when they are enjoying the class, at that time rebel will say, no, I want to read. So you can find these rebels in each and everywhere, even in the class, even in your society, even at your home. So when all accept something gratefully, the rebel refuses it politely. And when everyone refuses something, the rebel accepts it with pleasure. It is fortunate that we have such rebels among us, though being one may not be desirable since it makes you a misfit in society. See, breaking the rules of the society, it is not a good thing. So being a rebel is not a good thing, but sometimes these rebels, they comes out, they emerges with new ideas. So sometimes they are good, but not always. So it depends on you students whether you want to become a rebel, a positive rebel, or a negative rebel. So let me tell you once again, let me revise about this poem. A rebel is a person who does not conform to the general view on social corrections. He always does the opposite of what others do. When short hair is in fashion, a rebel would prefer long hair and vice versa. When everybody is tolerant during the lesson in the class, the rebel will sit quietly. And when there is pin drop silence in the class, the rebel would create a disturbance. When other boys go to school in uniform, the rebel would put on colored clothes. When other boys are in fancy clothes, the rebel would dress simply. So if others are dog lovers, the rebel would prefer cats. And in the company of cat lovers, the rebel praises dogs. So when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel opines for need of rain. And when everybody longs for rain, the rebel longs for sun. When others go for a meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody agrees, the rebel disagrees. It is good to have a rebel in a society because they help us to see life in different ways. But a rebel is mostly not liked by everyone. So students, I hope you liked the poem and you enjoyed the poem. So students, thank you. Remain at your home, stay healthy, stay fit.